Look at that. Look at the view. Nice flooring. Welcome to the smallest room in the world.
There you go, my lady.
I'm so excited for the view.
So yeah, there's the ensuite. This is the bedroom. And this is going to be the living / dining area. So it's going to be alright. Sofa. Go there. Thinking about building a unit here for TV. It's going to be pretty close. Got to figure it out. Then you have spare room, another balcony, and front door, and the main bathroom. Yeah, Fred's is excited. Putting up a perimeter for the MFC, so I've got to work that out. And I'm doing both bedrooms, definitely. There's a couple of bits, the both bathrooms I'm going to have to wait because I'm going to put in some extraction ducting above the ceiling, so put that in first and then do that. But yeah, so start in the smallest bedroom first on the ceiling. I'm going to drop down, and then after the lights, I'm going to try and slope it up towards here. So this ends up being like bare low as a wall, and there's a height difference. I don't want to have just a sheer drop, and then have to put a corner bead on there or something in my bathroom. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of finesse. Luckily, I'm not the price. Do these back walls first. straight. 20. This. System's a little bit different to what I'm used to in the UK, but it's just how it is. It's not rocket science. Got an NFC. Things got a little bit more labour involved due to the way they're holding up. I think the way our feet is going to work with. But it is what it is. It's up. today. They're kicking us out at 3 o'clock. It's about 2:30 now. Stay with me here. Got most of the wiring done, the perimeter done in this little room here for the MF ceiling. I need to get to OB, which is like B&Q in the UK. Basically a building merchant for normal people. To get an ohm meter so I can sort out these cables here because they bought them through, and obviously they like to make people's lives difficult and haven't labelled up which one's which. So there's one of these cables has got a two-way switch from the front door, and yeah, fun and games. So we'll figure that one out. But get back in here tomorrow, crack on, and see how far we can get. Yeah. All these wires in today. Got the wiring done in the little bathrooms, big bathrooms done as well. Yeah, it's day one of working. Bloody warm today as well. Right. See you tomorrow.